Alright, you're welcome back to a 7-day digital product automation challenge. This is the day 2 of this particular challenge where we're going to be building and launching our digital product. How you can actually create your digital product, package it, and also design it for sale. And for us to achieve that, we're going to be doing only 3 simple steps. Alright, first thing, research other sellers to know what is actually trending and selling right now. Okay, and secondly, we're going to simply pick a category and write a creation prompt that can actually help us generate all of these digital products. And the third step, I'm going to be showing you how you can actually package this, create the designs, and make it ready for launching. Alright, at the one of this very video, I showed you the top trending digital product that you can actually get into right now. Okay, so I picked my own niche. Alright, so I told you I'm going to be creating a prompt pack. Okay, so this is also going to simply work for you in your own niche, whether you are creating a prompt pack or not. This is just the same strategy to actually package your digital product and sell it. Okay, this is prompt based, a marketplace where people sell digital prompt. Okay, and you can see the prices of this particular prompt and all of that. Okay, and for you to actually know the ones that are trending, you need to actually come to this very section and click on this trending prompt. Okay, you can make a prompt on make money online, on affiliate marketing, on digital products. So all you need to do is simply pick a particular category in your own niche that is trending without saturation. All right, and you create your own product around that. It might not be a prompt, it might be a guide. Okay, you can also see content creation prompt. Okay, so people buy YouTube script prompt, people buy TikTok content prompt, Instagram carousel prompt, short and reel prompt, blog writing prompt. Okay, so if you come back to this very section, you're gonna see right here, if you go to my purchases, ultra realistic floating bottle, all you need to do is simply generate the prompt and generate the exact result of that particular prompt depending on what you are creating. Okay, if you're creating a prompt pack for video generation or maybe image generation, you have to actually add a sample of what you've already generated. Okay, so if you come back to this video section, you're going to see right here, these are images right here, and each of these images have their own prompt. Okay, you can see this is the prompt for this image generation. You can see this particular image, this is the prompt for it. Okay, you can see this particular image, this is a prompt for it. Okay, and they are selling it out on this very platform. Okay, for instance, this particular image right here, I wrote this prompt right here and the image converted this to this. Okay, this is a different outfit. This is the prompt I gave it. If I want to sell this particular prompt pack, all I need to do is simply copy this prompt, then go to my Google Doc, okay, and compile all of them together. And that's just to show you what you're going to simply get if you actually add your own face to this particular prompt. Okay, you can see it right here, and I did the same thing for the second image. You can add the same prompt and it gave me this. All right, go to your Google Doc right here. All you need to do is simply add the name of that particular pack you are writing. So let's say nano banana prompt, and you decide to add the first image. Then click on this image button, click on this, upload from your computer. All right, remember this particular Google Doc can also work for you if you're using mobile. Just go to your Play Store or App Store, download the application. It is very much easier. All right, then click on this and import that particular photo. Okay, so if you import the photo, this is how the photo is going to simply look like. Okay, so you have to simply add the prompt. Okay, let's say heading 2, then make it bold. Okay, so you can make your prompt bold. You have to disable this page section. Okay, just go to your format from here, then go to switch to pageless format. Okay, and remember, all the prompts you're going to simply be selling out, you have to try them by yourself. Okay, and know that this is actually working before you start selling it to people. Okay, so all you need to do is simply come to this very section, and you copy the prompt. You have to download that. Okay, so before you add the next prompt, add the next image, click on this, then import the next image. Okay, so you click on this, then click on open. You can see this is the next image, right? Then under that, by doing it this way, you're going to simply save yourself the stress of getting bad reviews and all of that. Okay, because reviews matters a lot when you're selling a digital product, especially in a digital marketplace. If you're creating this type of prompt, you have to simply add a guide. Okay, how to use this prompt. Okay, it could be a short video or a short write-up. Okay, apart from selling this image prompt pack, you can actually sell just a text-based prompt pack. Okay, you can see under content creation we have YouTube scripts. So what I'm going to do right now is simply copy this, copy all of them, because we are focusing on this particular niche, which is content creation. Over to your ChatGPT, you can show right here. So remember, we've already selected these ones. Remember, the first prompt right there is the prompt for YouTube script. Okay, so you copy the prompt. This is the prompt right here. I've already written this prompt. On this whole pack, just let me know in the comment section. When you copy that, go to ChatGPT. Okay, paste it right here. this particular prompt is going to simply work for all niche. Okay, click on this send button. All right, it has already generated over 50 different prompts. Okay, so all you need to do right now is simply copy the whole prompt from here. Okay, then once you copy that, go to the next part. So remember, we want to actually add different categories in the same product. Okay, so for you to do that, you need to create different tabs on your Google Doc. Okay, go to editing mode, then you click on this plus button. Then on this plus button, you can see why we have the first tab. When you click on the first tab will open. If you click on the second tab, the second tab will be the YouTube video script. Okay, so you paste it right here. Okay, so this is what we have as a YouTube video script. So drag it, add it here as the name. So that's the name. We're going to simply be adding an image here. How do you add the image? Go back to the prompt section. Each particular section has its own image. You can see image prompt here. Okay, so first of all, let's go to Nano Banana and give it to Nano Banana to create. Just click on this section right here, click on create image, then add it here. So if you click on this send button, if Nano Banana decide to misbehave, we go to Meta AI. If Meta AI misbehave, we go to Grok AI. Okay, so these platforms work best for us. All right, so let's allow it to load because we want to add it on the Google Doc. Okay, so let's copy the same image, then go to Meta, then click on create image and paste it here. Okay, so let's click on this. So let's allow this to load. You can copy this or you download this. You can animate them if you want to. Okay, so this one's right here looks a little bit cleaner. I like this one. Then click on this image button here, click on upload from computer, then select this one. Okay, you can see it right here. So remember, in this particular product, you can actually add your own link, your website link, maybe your community link. Okay, so I'm going to be using the same style to create all of this, so I'm going to be doing that right now. Okay, so we've already gotten the first tab, second tab, third tab, fourth tab, and fifth tab. Okay, and the next thing you have to do right now is to actually add a name to it and also generate the description and all of that. Okay, you need to use this particular prompt. This is the prompt you're going to simply be using, and you can actually use the same prompt to generate your own product cover. Okay, for instance, let's try it. If you copy this particular prompt right now, you go to Meta AI, you paste it right here. When you paste it, the next thing you have to do is simply add the title of your product. Okay, it's ultimate viral content prompt pack. Okay, over 250 AI prompts for YouTube, TikTok, Instagram shorts, and blogs. All right, so you have to simply copy it. Then we copy that, go back to your Meta AI to add the title here. Okay, then click on this send button. Then let's see what Meta AI can actually do for us. All right, so remember, you can actually do this on Canva. You can design this by yourself on Canva without using AI. Okay, you can see this is what we have right now, the ultimate prompt pack. Okay, so this is actually good. So let's click on this download. Remember, we have our product title, we have our short description. Okay, so for you to generate this, you have to simply add the title of your own product to your ChatGPT and ask it to generate both the title, the short description, and long description. Okay, so you can see this is the detailed description of this particular product. So you have to simply go ahead and create a Gumroad account. So if you don't have an account on Gumroad, okay, just search for Gumroad. This is Gumroad right here. Then click on this start selling button, create your account with your Facebook, Google account, or X. Then create your account, sign up, and customize your profile. Okay, so once you have that in place, go ahead and export your product. Okay, so remember, our product is still on this very page, so we're going to simply go ahead and export it as PDF. Okay, so once you have this in place, the next you need to do right now is simply go ahead and click on this file section here, then click on download. Under download, then hover your mouse to PDF document. Okay, so remember, click on this. Okay, then you can actually select all tab. Make sure you select all tab because we're downloading all tab. Okay, so click on this export button. When you have that in place, this is going to simply be exported for you, right? So you can see why it is downloading the product automatically. So once you have that, then click on this open button. Okay, you can see the product has been opened for us, and this is the first page. Then this is the second page right here, and 8 prompts. You can see the third page and 8 prompts. Okay, so this is what people are going to simply access once they have your stuff. Okay, prompt, you can see, and with this you already have yourself a digital product. So go ahead and customize it the way you want it. Log into your Gumroad and wait for the day 3 of this very challenge, because in the day 3 I'm going to be showing you how you can actually set up your auto selling system on Gumroad. I'm going to be showing you how you can actually optimize your product, how you can actually optimize your profile for higher selling to rank on Google, and I'm also going to be showing you all the necessary things you need to know about Gumroad before you even start uploading your content on store to sell on the platform. Okay, see you in the next one.